As you may know, Photopea offers just one-click background eraser. Simply select your layer, head to Select menu at the very top, and you will see Remove BG, Remove Backdrop. Click on that. It will process your image for a moment. And here it is. That's not what I want, alright? I just plan to remove the sky, and then they remove everything around this bicycle. So how can we get a more manual approach to this? Let's try to use a special eraser tool for erasing background. So click and hold on the eraser tool. You will see there are three options inside. Let's select the middle one, background eraser. Okay, I recommend to zoom in a bit. I like to use Command plus on my keyboard to zoom in. Alright, so here we are. My eraser is really tiny compared to this huge image, so I will increase the size of the eraser. Okay, and now the important part with this eraser is the middle part of the eraser need to touch the backdrop. So we cannot like go all the way down here. We need to keep at least 50% of the eraser on the actual backdrop. So take a look. I click here. It's erase only the sky color and preserve the mountains. Nice, without any selection. We didn't do any prior selection or any AI selection, nothing. You can press spacebar to kind of drag your camera around if you like. Okay, so this is really underrated tool in my opinion, with only one disadvantage. We are actually erasing those pixels, so it's destructive. It's a destructive way of erasing part of the image, so we cannot get it back easily. Alright, so after I did this area that kind of touching this, I can actually use the regular eraser to do the rest, because now we got just the sky here, so I can use really a regular eraser for that. Alright, and very quickly we get rid of the sky from this image using Backdrop Eraser Tool. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.